We'll guide you through how to fix Clownfish voice changer not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Clownfish is a very popular voice changer that many people use with apps like Discord, Skype, and other voice chat platforms. But sometimes you may notice that the voice changer opens, yet your voice does not actually change, or the software simply does not work the way that it should. So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the several different fixes step by step that can help resolve the problem and get your voice changer working again. The first thing that you should try is running Clownfish as administrator. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Clownfish, and just right click on the Clownfish, add the recommendation, and just run it as an administrator. Sometimes the software cannot access your microphone properly because of Windows permission restrictions. Running it as an administrator allows the program to interact correctly with your audio device. And just click on Run as Administrator and confirm when prompted. And after opening the program by running it as an administrator, test your microphone again to see if the voice changer starts working properly. Now, if the problem still continues, the next thing that we need to check is whether Clownfish is installed on the correct microphone. Clownfish works by installing itself directly onto a specific microphone device. If it's installed on the wrong device, your voice will remain unchanged. So, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the window taskbar. You should see a small arrow. Just click on arrow, and from here you will see Clownfish voice changer. Right click on the Clownfish icon and then hover over setup, and you will see an option pop up. Just click on system integration, and a small window will appear showing the list of microphones available for your computer. Here you will see all the audio input device that window detects, such as USB microphone, microphone, stereo, jack mic, like so. If Clownfish is not installed on your microphone, simply click on the install icon button next to that device. Let's say I'm using jack mic, so just click on jack mic if it is not already installed and install it. Once it is installed, you will see a small install option labeled, and you will even see a remove icon which only appears after installing. And the next thing that we want to check is whether the voice changer itself is turned on or not. Sometimes Clownfish is running but the voice changer feature may be actually disabled. To check this, go back to the Clownfish icon in your hidden menu and just right click on it and click on turn on if it's not already turned on. And if it says turn off, that usually means the voice changer is currently enabled. But if you see it turn on, then that means the voice changer is disabled. Make sure the voice changer is turned on, otherwise the software will not modify your voice. After that, you can also check the voice list and choose any effect you want. For example, just go to the set voice changer from here like so, and you will see another pop-up window appear. From here, you can choose any of the available voices, and you have many options. Just choose options to your liking and your voice will be changed like so. You can even get a piece from here, and just click on clear effect to clear all of the selected effect. And if your voice still sounds normal on Discord or other application, the next thing that we should check is the default microphone settings in the Windows. Sometimes Windows is using a different microphone than the one that you installed Clownfish on. To check this, just simply close it and open your voice changer once again like so, and go to setup and go to system integration. From here, keep a note of which microphone it is installed on. In my case, it is installed on microphone Realtek, so just memorize it and go to control panel. Just go to the Windows search bar and search for control panel and just open it. After opening, just search for sounds and just click on the sound. Inside this window, go to the recording tab in the top and make sure that your microphone is selected like so. And in my case, it was microphone real tech, and you will see that it is already enabled. But if it is not, just right click on it and click on enable if it is not enabled already. After that setting is applied as default, click on apply and click on OK. And now check your voice again in any of the applications. The next solution is to reinstall Clownfish completely. Just go to your search bar and search for uninstall. And you will see add or remove program will pop up in the recommendation. Just open it and just locate the voice changer and just click on the three dot and click on uninstall. And after uninstalling, just go to your browser, and it can be any browser, and just search for Clownfish voice changer and go to the official website and reinstall it from there by following the setup prompts. And that's how you fix the Clownfish voice changer not working on your computer. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.